Oh, the sun beats down and burns the tar